Today I'm going to show you an exciting tool which you can use daily for turning your academic papers and research into audio files using AI. So this is an experiment done by Google AI Labs itself. The name of this website is Illuminate. I'll give the link to this website in the description and comments. Also, kindly like and subscribe to my channel, and let's move on. So the main basic of this website is that you can turn any of your theory, may it be academic work or anything, you can literally convert it into audio files using AI. So for example, I'll just show you some example papers which are converted into audios.
Here's a paper titled Chain of Thought Prompting Elicits Reasoning in Large Language Models. Let's talk about it.
This is interesting. It's a prompting method for eliciting multi-step reasoning from language models. The idea is to show the model a few examples of a task with intermediate reasoning steps, and this can improve performance quite a bit compared to.
So this is how it works. Like you can upload your academic paper or maybe a web content which you found out, and it can literally be turned into an audio file. So you can just listen and learn at the same time. So yeah, this is pretty interesting and cool thing that the Google Labs have made. You can also click on add questions, like ask a question if you have any regarding the paper, and there are some more settings which you can look at, and you can also click on start generating, and then you can just paste the URL of a web content, may it be a research paper or any information you want to turn into an audio. You can just paste the URL of that website or search the topic here itself, and it will create a AI organization, like an AI conversation for you, and you can listen to it while you are working or like in your pastime. You can also tweak some settings about the audio dialogue, may it be casual, formal, guided, or free form. You can also change the voice.
The rabbit pulled out a watch and muttered, "Oh dear, I'm late."
The rabbit pulled out a watch and muttered, "Oh dear, I'm late."
So there are two default voices from which you can choose from. And yeah, so this is how it works. If you want, I can just show you some, and maybe open this one. Let's copy paste this URL here, add, and let's click on generate. Please note that this is a Google AI experiment which is still in progress. Like there are daily updates and it is improving day by day. So this is not like a complete made up site, but it still gets the work done. So I copy pasted the link from this website about its content, and it converted into a audio file, like a normal conversation which you can hear. So
This conversation is powered by Google Illuminate. Check out
yeah.
illuminate.google.com for more.
AI and machine learning are like everywhere, right? But how far have they really come?
It's kind of mind-blowing when you actually stop and think about it.
Today we're looking at a paper from Johns Hopkins about the latest advancements and, where it's all heading.
Perfect timing because
It turned it completely into a conversation between the host and the guest.
it feels like every single day there's some new AI breakthrough.
Exactly. So let's dive in and see what's really changing the game. The paper starts with the evolution of AI. It's not like this stuff just popped up overnight, right?
Definitely not. It's been like decades in the making, from, theoretical ideas to actually beating humans at chess.
Right? They mentioned the Turing test, Deep Blue beating Kasparov, even Watson on Jeopardy. It's like a highlight reel of AI milestones. And each
As you can see, this is really amazing. So you can literally use this for all your coursework, your academics, and everything. And you can turn it into an audio conversation or a kind of a podcast for yourself to hear when you are doing something else. So give it a try. This is going to help you a lot in your academics. And thanks for watching. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel.